Hi friends, welcome in English Grammar Serial which is organized by KD Talk or KD Talks, and this is episode number 12 of English Grammar Serial. And in today's episode we will learn about the types of a sentence. Now what is meant by types of the sentence? Do you know about the sentence? That sentence can form using two or more words, and I can tell you about the more about in my videos. So there are, you know about the sentence, there are so many sentences, but there are the four types of a sentence mainly. That is assertive sentence. First type of a sentence will be assertive sentence. Second type of a sentence will be interrogative sentence, and third type will be imperative, and fourth type will be exclamatory sentence. Now what are they? I can tell you about them. So first type of a sentence will be assertive sentence. These are the types of a sentence. There are four types of sentence. That is, first is assertive sentence, second is interrogative sentence, third is imperative sentence, and fourth is exclamatory sentence. And the first type of sentence will be assertive sentence. What is meant by assertive sentence? Assertive sentence are mainly used to make the statement. Means here I can give you the example. That is, this is the boy. This is the boy. I can give you that this is a boy. This is a boy is one type of assertive sentence. Here the assertive sentence is also called as a statement because it can make the sentence statement. That is, this is the boy. This is type of a statement. And India is my country. This is also a statement. Now next type of a sentence will be interrogative sentence. What is meant by interrogative sentence? There are the some sentence that can have the questions. Means example, I can give you that where are you going? 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 This is a one type of a question, and it can this is type of a question sentence, and this will be called as also interrogative sentence. Means here the question will become. So we can say that interrogative sentence means I can tell you that if a sentence has a question, then it is interrogative sentence. As you can see here, that is where are you going? Here this sentence have questions. That is, it can ask to someone. That is, where are you going? So this is type of interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence are when where the question will become, it is the interrogative sentence, and where the statement will become, it is a assertive sentence. Next type, third type will be imperative sentence. Imperative sentence are used to give commands or to request, or for use to do the request. Example, I can give you that. Example, I can give you that. Please give me pen. 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 Here you see that please give me pen. Here you see that the someone can requesting, that someone can requesting, that is, please give me pen. Someone can requesting, and this request will be the type of imperative sentence. And also here next example, I can give you that pick, that go there. Go there and pick the ball. Go there and pick the ball, and pick the ball, and pick the ball. Go there and pick the ball. So here the command will be given to someone, and this is the command. When the command or the request will become in the sentence, we say that this is a imperative sentence. Next is exclamatory. What is meant by exclamatory? Where the exclamation will become, we can say that they are exclamatory sentence. Example, alas, she is dead. Example, I can give you that. Alas, she is dead. Alas, dead. She is dead. Dead. Alas, she is dead. So here you see that the exclamations will become here. Means example I can give you that. Okay, example I can give you that when we can do some sudden exclamation, that is, wow, how wonderful is this Taj Mahal. So this is a sudden expression. Like here the example that is give you that, Allah, she is dead. This is a sudden expression, and when this sudden expression will become, we can say that they are exclamatory sentences. And this is all about the sentences. That is, first is assertive. Assertive sentence is used to make the statement. That is, example I can give you that this is a boy is a type of a statement. In this this is a statement, and when the statement will become will be, and this sentence, when the statement will become in this sentence, we say that they are assertive sentence. Interrogative sentence, when the question will become in this sentence, we say that they are interrogative sentence. That is, where are you going? Here the question will become, so we can say that this is a interrogative sentence. Next is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence is used to when the request or the commands will become in the sentence, we can say that they are imperative sentence. An exclamatory sentence means where the sudden expression will become in the sentence, or the exclamatory sign will become in this sentence, we can say that they are exclamatory sentence. Example I can give you that, alas, she is dead. Here the exclamatory sign will become, and we can say that they are exclamatory sentence. So these are the four types of a sentence. That is, first, assertive sentence that are used to make the statement. Interrogative sentence, which are when the question will become in the sentence, we can say that they are interrogative sentence. Imperative sentence, when the request or the questions or the when the request or the commands can come in the sentence, we can say that they are imperative sentence. And exclamatory sentence means when the sudden expression will become or the exclamatory sign will become in the sentence, we can say that they are exclamatory sentences. So this is all about the sentences I can tell you in this today's lecture, and this is all about the sentences. That is, there are four types of sentences: assertive sentences, interrogative sentences, imperative sentences, and exclamatory sentences. This is all about the types of sentences. Thank you, friends. If you like my video, like it, share it to friends, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel, because we can take a very effort for teaching and to know you about more about the sentences, English and English grammar. Thank you, friends. Thank you, and goodbye, friends. Thank you.